Looking for the best Samsung washing machine but overwhelmed by all the options? Stick around, we've tested and ranked the top models to help you find the perfect fit for your home. Let's kick things off with the entry-level contender in our lineup. This model comes in at the bottom of our ranking, but that doesn't mean it's a bad washer. It's just a bit simpler compared to the others we'll talk about today. It still offers a good 4.5 cubic foot capacity, so it'll handle most laundry loads for small to medium households. One thing this washer does well is speed. With its super speed cycle, you can finish a load in less time. Great if you're always on the go. It also connects to Wi-Fi, which is handy if you like controlling appliances with your phone, but compared to other models in this video, it's missing some premium features like steam cleaning and advanced cycle customization. The main downside is the lack of detailed specs. We don't know much about its energy use, warranty, or whether it handles delicate clothes gently. Plus, it doesn't have steam cleaning, which many people now consider essential for sanitizing laundry. So who's this washer for? If you're looking for a basic Samsung front loader with smart features but don't need all the bells and whistles, this one could be a good pick. And just a heads up, if you're interested in any of the washers from today's video, we've dropped links to the best prices down in the description below. Check them out. Next up, we have a step up from the first model. This washer is perfect for folks who want solid performance without breaking the bank. It has the same 4.5 cubic foot capacity, which is great for everyday laundry, and it's stackable, saving you space if you're working with a small laundry room. The standout feature here is the quiet operation. Samsung's vibration reduction technology keeps this washer nice and stable, so you won't hear it thumping around in the middle of the night. It also has a handy self-clean function, which keeps the drum fresh without needing harsh chemicals. It's Energy Star certified too, so you'll save money on your power bill compared to older machines. On the flip side, there are a few things missing. There's no steam option, which means it won't sanitize clothes or tackle tough stains as effectively as some pricier models. Also, the door isn't reversible, and a few users have reported occasional vibration issues despite the quiet tech. This washer is ideal for someone who wants a reliable, energy-efficient machine for basic washing needs. No frills, just clean clothes. Oh, and if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out and keeps you updated on our latest reviews. Now, let's talk about the top loader in our lineup. This model is different because it's not a front loader. It's a top load washer with a massive 5 cubic foot capacity. That's perfect for big families or anyone who regularly washes bulky items like comforters. It has some cool features you don't usually see on basic top loaders. There's an active water jet built right into the machine, so you can pre-treat stains without running back and forth to the sink. The soft closed lid is a nice touch too. No more loud slams when you drop the lid by accident. Plus, it has a self-cleaning mode to keep the inside fresh and mold-free. But there are some trade-offs. The spin speed is much lower at just 750 RPM, so clothes may come out wetter, taking longer to dry. And since it's a top loader, you can't stack it with a dryer to save space. Also, there's no steam option for sanitizing laundry. If you like the traditional top load experience, but still want modern features like quiet operation and large capacity, this washer could be a great choice for your home. Moving into the premium models, this washer brings a lot more to the table. It's perfect for someone who wants advanced cleaning power without going full luxury. The 4.5 cubic foot capacity is plenty for most households, and it has steam cycles that help lift stubborn stains and sanitize fabrics. It's also super quiet thanks to vibration reduction technology, and the closet depth fit means it's great for tight spaces. You can even install it with a riser to make loading and unloading easier. Plus, the long warranty, 10 years on the motor, gives you peace of mind. What's missing? Well, there's no Wi-Fi remote control like you'll find in the higher end models. Some users also mentioned the front panel feels a bit plasticky, and if you're washing delicate fabrics, you might find it's not as gentle as other washers. Overall, this washer is a fantastic mid-range option for people who want steam cleaning and reliability, but don't need the extra smart tech. Finally, we've reached the top of our list, and this washer is a powerhouse. It has a huge 5 cubic foot drum, so you can wash king-size bedding or giant loads of laundry without breaking a sweat. What really makes this washer stand out is the combination of speed, smarts, and cleaning power. The super speed cycle can finish a full load in under 30 minutes, and the steam options help tackle tough stains and sanitize clothes. You can control everything from your phone with Samsung's SmartThings app, making laundry day easier than ever. The only downside is the price. It's definitely on the premium side. Also, some users say the clothes come out wetter than they expected, likely due to the large capacity drum. And for folks who just need something simple, this washer might feel a bit over-engineered. But if you want the best of the best, large capacity, fast cycles, steam cleaning, and smart control, this is the washer to beat. It's perfect for busy households that need speed and versatility. That's our complete guide to the best Samsung washing machines. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to find today's top products at the best prices. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next review.